In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and Mailerlite, two popular email marketing platforms in 2024. Both platforms offer a range of features to help you manage your email campaigns effectively. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and Mailerlite are in the description below, so you can try them out. Let's dive into the comparison. SendPulse offers a free plan with limited features and paid plans starting at $6 per month. Mailerlite also has a free plan, with paid plans starting at $9 per month. SendPulse provides a wide range of professionally designed email templates that are easy to customize. Mailerlite also offers a variety of templates, but users have reported that the customization options are somewhat limited compared to SendPulse. Both platforms offer automation features to help you set up email campaigns that trigger based on user actions. However, SendPulse automation capabilities are more advanced, allowing for more complex workflows and personalization options. SendPulse allows you to easily conduct A/B tests on your email campaigns to determine which strategies are most effective. Mailerlite also offers A/B testing functionality, but some users have found it to be less intuitive than SendPulse. Both SendPulse and Mailerlite have good deliverability rates, but SendPulse has a slight edge in this area according to user reviews and industry benchmarks. SendPulse offers 24/7 live chat support, while Mailerlite provides email support during business hours. Both platforms also have extensive documentation and tutorials to help you get started. In conclusion, both SendPulse and Mailerlite are solid choices for email marketing, but the best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse and Mailerlite for free.